former President Rodrigo Duterte challenges congressmen to open their books as well as they probe his daughter Sara's confidential expenses. Digong is confident that the vice president will overcome. Briel Montalvo reports.
Former President Rodrigo Duterte isn't worried at all about all the pressure his daughter Vice President Sara Duterte is experiencing from the Marcos administration. He's even confident that Sara will come out unscathed, despite the House hearings digging into the alleged anomalous confidential expenses of the agencies she headed.
I am entertained. Wala man nangyayari sa anak ko. Kasuhan man nila si Inday, di kasuhan nila. Hindi naman makulong yan.
What Digong is actually worried about is the condition of Inday's Chief of Staff, Attorney Zulaika Lopez. Congress has extended a contempt and detention order against Lopez while she's still confined at the Veterans Memorial Medical Center. That's why his challenge to Congressman, why not open their books as well?
Once and for all, buhay man yung kuwa, hindi man nasunog ang building nila, pero lang kung sunugin andyan man yan, buksan natin lahat. Buksan ng Congress. Ang congressman, hinamon ko ba sila? To open your books.
Meanwhile, the former president just shrugged off the issue of his daughter's death threat against the first couple and House Speaker Martin Romualdez.
Binata man yun. Ako, utro rin itong PSJ patay nila. Siyempre, pag ganong init ng... Sino ba naman hindi mag-init ng ulo?
To the former president, it's obvious that Marcos administration is focused on their family. That's why he has this piece of advice to his daughter.
Sabi ko nga kay Inday, tama na yung Vice President. Total, tatay niyan, Presidente man. Okay na yan.
For News 5, Briel Montalvo, We Are One News.